Alright, welcome to Maryland and Harold Vlogs. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, give us a like, it's gonna help. On this video I'm gonna show you a pretty cool feature that you can do with your phone and your PC. As you can see, the phone display is off, it doesn't have to be on, and as you see on the screen, it's already mirroring what I'm doing on the phone. So I'm just gonna show you really quick so you can see that it's the same thing, right? So I'm gonna do this really quick, that way you can see. You see how it's the same thing? Okay. So I'm just gonna leave it alone, and it eventually turns off the display. Okay, so the first thing you do, you go to your PC, and your PC is gonna have this app. It's called your phone. And on your phone, if you don't have it downloaded, you download your phone companion, link to Windows. And that one, when you open it, it's gonna tell you, it lets you copy and paste, it lets you see your text messages, your notifications, you can make calls, and let me see if I can pull it up right here. Oh, it's because I did window. Okay, let me see. I am going to, let me see. I'm going to take this window off, and now, yeah, that way I can show you exactly what it says on the, okay. So you're gonna be able to see right here. Once you open it, this is how it is. It says share your links to your phone. You got your notifications. Well, yeah. You see how every function that you click, it does it right on your phone. Your text messages, your calls. You can call right here. You just set it up. You can pick any app on your phone and it's gonna open it and you can view it. It also tells you your battery percentage, your signal. Another cool thing, and I'm gonna show you where I'm pressing my mouse or pushing my mouse. So as you can see on the display right there, if I scroll down, it's scrolling down what I have on my phone, not on the computer anymore. So you see, with my mouse I can control what's on my phone. For example, I can go here, and then I'm just gonna left click, hold, and I scroll, and it's scrolling the display on my phone. This is what I have on my phone, you see? And I'm using my mouse. Let's go to my channel. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like. We have new videos up. Check those out. And I have more reviews on the Samsung A32 5G if you want to check that out. Okay, let's get out. As you can see right here, as you can see right here is the phone. And on the top it says Galaxy A32 5G. also have a Facebook page. This is a Facebook page. If you want to like it and follow us there, that'll be really awesome. It's called Maryland and Harold Vlogs. Okay. Oh wow, the weather. Okay, another cool feature that I liked. Let me see. No, I'm not gonna go to that one. I'm gonna go to. This is another thing that did it for me. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna show y'all. What? Oh my god. It's not scrolling fast enough. Okay, let's go to Facebook. Now, I'm gonna click on what's your mind. Now I'm gonna show you right here. I'm not even gonna use my phone anymore. I'm gonna use the keyboard. Look at this. You see how cool that is? I'm using the keyboard from my laptop, and it shows you the keyboard here from your phone. You can also use it with your mouse. You see how I'm moving my mouse, and you can see on the screen, thinking of you, and then you see how it's working. That is just awesome. It just changed. It changed the way I work. The way you do things is gonna change it, for sure. I hope this helped. Press the like, subscribe. Thank you.